family, good morning. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to be doing my breakfast, so I'm sharing that with you. I have 5 apples here and I have some grapes, so I'm going to go ahead and juice these, and this will be my breakfast for this morning. It is Sunday morning and I'm just getting ready to make my breakfast. So here we go, family. Yeah. I'm actually thinking about planting some squash and some other things outside. So I will, once I start doing that, I will share that with you. So let me get the okay, family, as you can see, I am juicing again. I'm always juicing. It is an easy way to get lots of fruits in the body to cleanse yourself. And grapes has lots of nutrients. It's a great source of fiber, potassium, and a range of vitamins and minerals. So there we go. Get your juice in. Um, all right, family. So this will be breakfast for this morning, and I'll show you what I have for throughout the day. So hello, family. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm out here and the rain is coming down, but I'm gonna get some seeds in the garden. I have some squash that I'm gonna plant and a few cucumbers. I might be a little bit late, but I'm still gonna get them in. So let's do that. I'm gonna get some soil to freshen up the I'm gonna freshen up the soil a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything in here.
I'm over here.
I planted some squash the other day, but I'm not sure. I mean, I saw 2 of them came up, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can revive the soil a little bit, and then freshen it up, and then add some more seeds to it. Oh dang! And I'm break the thing off. I hope this didn't break off. Shit! Oh my God! I hope not, cause. Want that? That's a right here, please. You need to put it here. Ah, shit. Damn, I hit my damn toe. You know, once these dry up, then they get hard.
Yeah.
So you have to kind of break them up. Yeah, but I mean, when the seeds, you want to put the seeds in here, that's when it's so dry.
Yeah, but this already, it's just not that dry, right? It's just one.
Well, maybe you could put some in there and put some over there to put the especially that side, because squash they grow over there, so maybe put some on the aisle over there. Then we'll put some okra over there. In this bed over here, I'm gonna put some maybe some eggplants that I did last year. I put some eggplants here, and you know, I did put the onions here, but they didn't do much of anything, so I'm just gonna leave those two and see what happens. And then so squash will be on this side over here, over there as well, and then the garlic on this side, and then over there I'll get some okra in. So eventually what I'll do is put some watermelon on that side as well. Yep, so give me a minute. I'm gonna grab the seeds and we're gonna put them in. All right, family, since I took a little break, I'm gonna go ahead and have my lunch, which is a dragon fruit, and I just sliced it in two, and I'm gonna go ahead and spoon it out and have that for lunch. So stay tuned. I'm gonna enjoy this dragon fruit. It is so refreshing, guys. You should try it out. I have some zucchini seed here. Coming up? Oh, wow. I'm just putting in seeds and just hope that they grow. That's all. Trying to clean up that side as well. As I'm gonna put some squash. Babe, you need the machete or maybe the shovel. So I've planted most of what I could here, which is the squash. And this year, you know, family, I have started a job. I've taken on a job outside of the homestead. So this year I'm just trying to plant as whatever I can plant, which is mostly what we eat, veggies, and you know, whatever I can plant this year. So over here I'm gonna do the I'm gonna do some eggplants over here, and normally I would
start my eggplants early and then transplant them. But this year I'm going to try to see if I can plant them from seed. I'm just going to put the seeds in here. I'm making the dirt nice and soft though before I put it in. And then we'll see how, if it doesn't grow, then I know next time to make sure I start them from, you know, inside and then plant them in the ground. But for this year, I'm just going to put the seeds in and it's experiment and see what happens. That's all you can do, guys. All you can do is just try something, and if it work out, then you know, next time you can do it like that. And if it doesn't, then hey, you go the other road. Soft. So I think I'm hoping that this will work. All right, let me grab some eggplant seeds and I'm gonna put them in. That I have left over from last year. I have squash, I have pepper, cucumbers, and just a host of seed. I need to find a better way of saving my seeds, but last year was my first time saving seeds, so this is just, you know, all over the place. But guess what, I still have some seeds here. So if you plant whenever you plant your veggies, make sure you save your seeds, because that can save you a lot of money. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of my eggplants right here. The eggplant seed, I have two different ones. They're similar though. One is a little bit bigger, this one is a little bit bigger, and this one is the early long purple. This is also long purple, but it's just a different color. So I'm gonna do the smaller ones first. See how tiny the seed is? Tiny. So put it in there and see what happens. Last year I was able to just transplant them, but this year I'm trying to see, growing them from seed, what will happen. You know, just direct sow. I mean, if I direct sow them, if they will come up. So we'll just see what happened, family. Drop in here. What'd you say, babe? Yeah, you're right. We need to put some wood around it. And you have a lot of wood now, Cleve. Why don't you use some of those and put around it? You know, the ones that you got? Yeah, I didn't bring all my screw gun. Oh Lord. But maybe we could just bring it over, and when you get your gun, you can screw it up. Huh? Yeah, because those are some real good wood to put around the garden. You know, as you're planting your garden, it's never going to be perfect. You just have to keep going, and then as time go on, you can improve on what you're doing. Like I said, I don't know if these will grow, guys, but I'm trying it out this year. Direct sow of my eggplants. I don't know. We'll see. The rain was coming down, so I figure I'll just try to get some stuff in the ground, you know. All right, family, so hopefully these will do good.
All right, family, so I have some sweet potatoes and some Irish potato planted in this bed right here, and over here is the squash. As I told you, that's where I was going to plant the squash. And I have some more, I have some okra. I have some okra that I'm going to be planting in the top over there. And over here, we're working on the bed. We also put some squash in this entire bed all the way up, but we're going to have to put some, you know, wood to hold the bed together. And I'm going to show you, I have planted some eggplant in here, as you seen earlier. So I'm doing everything that I can today. Today is Sunday. I have to go to work tomorrow, so I'm doing doing everything that I can today. I planted some cayenne pepper in here and some plantain herbs and some mullein leaves. I've been stratifying those in the fridge for a while, and I also planted some elderberry in here, elderberry in this one, and some lemon balm over here. I planted some dill in this one over here, and some porcelain. I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of that, but I'll share that with you as the channel go. As things progress, I'll share that with you. And this one is some dill as well. I have some chamomile planted in here and some celery seeds, and this here is lovage. That is something else I'm trying out, and this is fennel over here. So I have quite a few things that I'm hoping that will come up, you know, pretty soon. I will give you an update as these grow. So we're gonna finish this up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like I said, I'm gonna be sharing different things on the channel, so you guys stay tuned, and we'll see how this garden turn out. Like this year, we're just going with faith and keeping our fingers crossed that everything will grow, and if it doesn't, you know, we always have next year. All right family, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to get going and finish up what we're doing here before the rain come down. So I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us along this new journey that we're on. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.